Supply chain management is complicated. There are so many different parties involved and so many variables that can influence efficiency in operations. It can be seriously overwhelming. Keeping accurate metrics and then making sense of the data only adds to the complication. OOCL Logistics has updated its solution for this complicated process. Supply Chain Insight from our Podium product line introduces the latest analytical visualization capability available in supply chain intelligence, online and secure. Using data from the management of your purchase order and shipment stream, Insight takes you into the functional parts of your supply chain essential to efficiency and success. At your fingertips, you have a dynamic dashboard of concise, easy to visualize and utilize metrics all in one place. Effortlessly make better decisions, maximize value, cut costs, and keep small issues from becoming costly problems. Insight is separated by important KPI functions into 5 analysis modules: Carrier KPI, Vendor KPI, PO and Shipment Analysis, Container Utilization, and new Other Insight Reports. Let's look at the Carrier KPI module first. We know every second counts in your supply chain. Using Insight's vessel on-time performance metrics, you know if your carriers have a good track record departing and arriving on time. The rollover analysis tells you just how frequently those carriers leave your freight behind and how that impacts the cargo in the rolled containers. Our carrier event completeness measurements keep you proactively informed of how well carriers are updating the data stream that drives your visibility to the supply chain. Other functions in the Carrier KPI module like MQC fulfillment ensure that you know how you're doing regarding contract obligations and give you the ability to update shipment allocations accordingly. Overall, these Carrier KPI functions give you useful, actionable metrics and in-depth updates on overall carrier performance. The Vendor KPI module takes you into the very origins of your supply chain, your manufacturers. Our unique vendor scorecard reveals information about vendor booking timeliness, delivery of shipments, submission of documents, and records levels of online versus manual bookings and booking modifications. Order fulfillment performance allows you to continuously know how well your vendors are getting product out the door. Vendor volume analysis keeps you aware of the comparative ups and downs of vendor volumes so that you'll always know where to focus vendor management attention. Using the Details on Demand feature throughout Insight, you can effortlessly export data to Excel for reports, meetings, and decision-making. Structuring and analyzing PO and shipment data effectively, Insight becomes your driver to increase efficiency and achieve optimization. Insight's PO and Shipment Analysis module offers a unique view into your global supply chain with the Shipment in Transit screen. You literally have a picture of shipments en route that can be filtered to early, on-time, and late status indicator. Choose a route in your supply chain, click, and see the results. It's that easy. Stay ahead of what's on the horizon using Insight's Container Forecast by PO, DF, and D functions. OOCL Logistics Podium system manages your supply chain by rules and exceptions, and controlling those exceptions ensures your supply chain is functioning as desired. Insight's Exception by Rule function instantly points to exception patterns in the supply chain that need to be dealt with so that you can act with vendors, carriers, and other logistics providers to get them back on track. Shipment transit status shows volumes, trends, and delivery status. Shipment summaries by port and volume by business type all provide valuable data you need every day. Again, at your fingertips with downloads to Excel. Visualizing container utilization in real time ensures that poor loading habits are less likely to persist. Insight's container usage and container load fulfillment dashboards reveal how well each container is being used. You can see the trends and changes in load performance over time. It's the next best thing to watching the container loading yourself. Insight's newest features also include useful information on CO2 emissions to help you reach environmental goals and typhoon alerts to severe weather events that affect your supply chain. OOCL Logistics continues to lead in information technology that helps you make the right moves managing your supply chain so that your products are all at the right place at the right time.